Also, all day I have been completely obsessing and a little concerned by my intense sexual attraction to my hair straightener. I cannot stop. But what does one do when one is completely in love with her hair straightener? I guess one should seek therapy. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Well, if you're in America. I was just about to say we are experiencing the calm before the storm in the hood, but it is starting to get dark. It's 8:15 and fireworks are happening on my street. I'm afraid of fireworks. I forget this every year. I worry about my dog. She's completely fine. I'm the one that needs the rescue remedy. Ooh, rescue remedy. That's totally what I need to take. So yeah. So it's, getting dark. I've already said that. See, I get so nervous. I'm the only one home tonight. My housemates were smart enough to have plans and be with people, probably watching fireworks at the beach. I forgot it was the 4th of July. The joys of being unemployed. To me, it's just another day. Another day not to get on the road, because it's a weekend. Now it's a weekend and a holiday, which makes it doubly not the reason to get on the road. Okay, I'm around tonight, and I'm pretty much alone. Wait! Is somebody home? Okay, if so, then I didn't see them walk to the back door, and I didn't hear them come through the front door. Which could mean they came through a window, which could mean it's not somebody who's supposed to be here. But Honey would be barking right now, so all is good. I get so wigged out. All right, the storm is about to begin, and by storm I mean fireworks all around. And I'm alone. Did I mention I'm alone and that I'm afraid of the fireworks? Is Honey okay? Oh God. Oh my God. I hear them. I'm coming, honey bun. No, that one's too loud. And it's getting bloody hot in here. It's what happens when I get nervous about the fireworks.